Call mom, please.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hey, mom, what's up?
Nothing. It's what you want.
Mom, why answer the phone like that for?
Right now, me I drink a rum cream and you're not paying me for all my talk to you. You can't stop me from talking to you.
All right,
all
I'm
my
just
talk
calling
to you.
for
What's
ask
the
you how we make
problem?
the rice and peas because every time I make it come out putty
I don't know. You and that girl can't make rice and peas. Easy something. I'm going to say I'm sure if I make the rice and peas.
Show me how to make it, mommy, but I just can't get it right.
That big old muscle in your and you no brains. You not pay
Pay
attention.
attention when you show me.
With your damn big head in the phone, pan TikTok or whatever on the depend. Listen to me right now, man. I gotta tell you how to do it. Cook your peas first in the water, then add the coconut milk, make it cook, then add in the rice and make it cook.
What's the measurements? You can't give me some measurements.
Paul, I'm Jamaican and I'm God blessed. Me don't need measurements. Use your judgment. You know what? You and that picky head girl of yours come to the house this weekend.
All right,
I'm going to show the two of
this weekend and come over there.
I'm tired of now call me for make it. All right? I'm tired.
All right. Okay, mom.
Yeah,
okay,
later.
all right.
Hey, don't call me back.
Tell your Jamaican parents, boy. Lord, help me, please. May I beg you. I wish you could have come down from heaven and show me how to do it. Because I'm tired for calling her and ask her.